So I took a drive today to Ibeju-Lekki to show you what it looks like, especially from the Lekki Free Trade Zone, the Dangote Refinery, where there are multi-billion-dollar investments. Also the Lekki Deep Sea Port, the Indomie factory, the kellogs factory, the power oil factory, the Dangote Jetty, the campagne Tropicana Beach Resort. Lots of gigantic projects. We drove all through to the popular Igbogun Road, where there are about 70 to 80% of all the estate lands available for sale is located. I did this video because so many people have never visited the beautiful city of Ibeju-Lekki. So this video is more like a virtual tour that captures most of the project in Ibeju-Lekki, from the free trade zone to the popular Igbogun Road. And so subscribe, click on the notification bell, and also tag along. Let's do this together.
I am feeling good tonight.
And so we are at the entrance gates of the Dangote Refinery here in Ibeju-Lekki, a $19 billion investment currently undergoing construction and is going to employ over 100,000 people working at the refinery. Obviously, that crowd is enough to fill up a local government in Ibeju-Lekki, the biggest single-train refinery in the world. And after the Dangote Refinery is the Dufil Prima Foods, makers of indomie noodles. And after that, we have the Power Oil Factory. It's a company that produces vegetable oil for cooking. And also after the Power Oil Factory, we have the kellogs factory opposite the Lekki Deep Sea Port. The Lekki Deep Sea Port is a $1.5 billion project and is going to employ over 30,000 workers. This massive job creation along the Ibeju-Lekki axis will of course increase the value of real estate in Ibeju-Lekki. And so, like I said previously, we have the kellogs factory and we also have the dano milk factory just beside. This is a huge gigantic project, multi-billion-dollar project. And also, I want to let you know that the Lekki Deep Sea Port is about 94.3% completed. Obviously, operation will be starting soon before September 2022. And just a few days ago, on the 1st of July, a vessel arrived at the Lekki Deep Sea Port, delivering 3 post-Panamax ships to shore cranes and 10 rubber-tired gantries. Lekki Deep Sea Port is poised to be the game changer, operated with efficiency and world-class standard. This will soon be a reality for Nigerians and thousands will be gainfully employed.
I can't explain.
And this is the Oshoroko town where we have the Dangote Jetty, and just after the Oshoroko town is the Lekki town where the popular Lekki Inetuosa local government derived its name from. And also the Lekki town is where the late Chief Awolowo was incarcerated, and he made a prophecy that Ibeju-Lekki will flourish. So if you haven't invested in Ibeju-Lekki, this is certainly the best time to do so.
This thing got me thanking God for life. I said.
And so this is the popular campagne Tropicana Beach Resort. It's a beautiful resort center here in Ibeju-Lekki that has attracted a lot of people, both foreign national. It's a nice place to relax, lodge, and enjoy the beauty of nature. This is the Folu-Ise junction, and as we navigate to the left is the Folu-Ise Road, where most of the estate available for sale in Ibeju-Lekki is located.
Are you feeling good tonight? I can't explain.
And just after this Folu-Ise Road, navigating towards your right is the popular Igbogun Road. Like I said previously, it's a location where 70 to 80% of all the estate available for sale is located. And as you can see, that this road was recently tarred and the construction is still ongoing, and it will extend till the end of the road. It's a huge project. And once all these facilities are in place, this is where most of the hundreds of thousands of workers from the Lekki Free Trade Zone, the Dangote Refinery, the Lekki Deep Sea Port, the Dangote Jetty, and the campagne Tropicana Beach Resort will be seeking for accommodation. And as a smart investor, I believe you know what this means to real estate. So this is the best time to buy land along this axis in acres and in hectares, because they are still very much cheap and affordable. And when this place fully opens up, you will be smiling to the bank. I have reserved so many plots for myself, and I believe as a smart investor, you should also do likewise today. So for more information and inquiries, please give me a call, and I will be more than happy to walk you through the journey of becoming a key stakeholder on real estate investment in Ibeju-Lekki.